this is my recipes, but you do you. Oh hey guys, I didn't see you there. Wow, look at all this stuff. This recipe must be for Sopes. Oh, what you'll need is some maseca. It's like masa, but for things. They're like, there's other ones in the stores, like they're for tamales and all that stuff. But this one, it's called maseca, and it's like for sopes and tortillas and all that stuff. So then you'll need some all-purpose flour and some corn oil, or some oil that you can like use for deep frying, and you'll need some water. So alright, so first of all you'll need 3.5 cups of maseca. So I'm just gonna get it. Make sure it's the right amount, because then you might put too much or too little. Like, just like do this into the bag so that you don't have to, you know, like do it over here and then you'll make a mess. So, just put 3.5 cups. So now you're gonna put 1/2 cup of this all-purpose flour. It's all-purpose. All-purpose. So, but you don't want to put this much because this is way too much, and you're gonna have to just put the right amount, like so. You can see it's the right amount. And now, what you're gonna need to do is get so we're going to need a measuring cup. So, you're gonna need a measuring cup. So here's this, and you're going to need to mix this up with your hands. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this, because then you'll just be feeding yourself germs. Up. Your hands will get a little bit messy, but you can wash your hands afterwards. It's all fine. So now you're going to need 3 water cups. So 3 cups of water. Just pour it in. So, then what you're gonna need to do is pour it in little by little. Another word for that is gradually. So, just mix it with your hands. I know it's gonna get really messy, but it's worth it. This does remind me of Mexico, so it is the best treat you can have, because we always have these on Sundays, and my mom always makes them for us, and they are so delicious. Like, you guys really, these are the best sopas you'll ever have. So don't put too much water, because then it'll get all liquidy. You don't want that to happen, because then you'll just have plain just tortillas when you're done, because you won't be able to shape it up. So it'll be like liquidy tortillas. You don't want that. Let's speed this up. So, right when you're done, you're gonna want it at this consistency, sort of. So, It's kind of like Play-Doh. You remember when you were a kid? We used to play with this stuff. So now what you're gonna need to do is roll them up into a ball. Not too big, not too small. So you want them sort of like at this size. And it's not too big, not too small, like I said. So you're gonna put them at the side of the bowl so that you won't get it dirty. So this is the size you want. It's not too big or not too small, and the consistency is just right. This is how you're gonna make it into the shape of the soap. So basically, you're gonna have to smash, pass, and just do it softly all at the same time. So just keep going and wait till it gets to the perfect size, and I'll show you that size. So it should get to about this size right here. It's about the size of a kid's palm of their hand. And make sure your comal or pan is from medium to high heat. Alright, so as you can see, this side is flat and this side is not. You're going to have to use the less flat side, also known as the bulky side. So you're going to do the exact same thing, but on the side that's more chunky. I mean, that's more thick. So you're going to just keep squeezing it, rotating it, and all that stuff, like I just explained, until it gets into the shape of a bow. So it's going to be this shape. This shape. So then you're going to just leave it like that and let your parents do the rest. This is the part that your parents have to do. So what you have to do is get the sope, dip it in there carefully so that you don't burn yourself. So now that we're done with the deep frying, I'm going to show you 3 ways of making your sopes. You can make it vegan, vegetarian, and everything, including meat. So, what you're going to need for the vegan is some frijoles, beans, frijoles, however you want to say it, and I'm going to get some of the salsa. We'll put the recipe to the salsa on the screen. Okay. And then we're gonna get some lechuga. And well, this is for vegans. And now, wait, no, I forgot the avocado. Yes, you need that. And that is the vegan. So now we're gonna do the vegetarian, which is you're gonna get some beans. You're gonna get some salsa. Some sour cream, as much as you want, and some cheese. And now this is for everything. You can use either salsa. We will also have the recipe in the corner. So, what you're gonna need is some beans, some salsa. Then you're gonna put some of this picadillo. Some crema. Some cheese. And some raisins. And also some avocado. As you can see, there are many variations of doing it. You can leave the avocado out. If you don't like salsa, you don't have to put it. And well, that's it. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and I will see you on the next video.